Hello everyone, and welcome to this Video Sans Frontier video. You've caught me in the Fortress of Tea, and I'm actually making myself a cup. And in a minute or so, we're actually going to be reinstalling Windows on a Compaq Armada. Believe it or not, yes, that is the plan. Stereotypical J video. I'm pretty sure that hopefully Elmal3 and Road Geek will get a good laugh out of this, obviously. But before I do actually go into the meat of this video, I would like to give you an update on the Fortress of Tea itself. See, in my last video I was showing how I had a problem with the drainage. Well, I called the council, and they actually sent someone out who was able to diagnose and correct the problem. See, the drains outside were completely blocked apart from a wee hole. So, you know, anyone doing their washing, it would just kind of come back up into my sink, as well as if I tried to do my washing. As you can see, I can open the washing machine door without turning my kitchen into a swimming pool. And my boiler, for the moment, has finished having its wee-wee. So, I believe that's my cup of tea made. Let's go now back to the living room. So, I've booted up from my Ultimate Yellow boot disk. And now I'm just formatting. I can't remember if it's a... I think it is a CF card that's in here. Yeah, because it's very quiet. So, just going to name the hard disk. Going to name it Armada. And that's it formatted. Now, so that's Windows 95's files copying, and we'll come back once the files have copied, just for a short peek into Windows 95 setup. But the meat of this video is not actually necessarily in Windows setup itself. I mean, yeah, obviously you've seen me install Windows a gajillion times on these computers, and you'll probably see me install it a gajillion more times. So you've got that to look forward to. But yeah, the meat and tatties of this video is actually on a CD that I got. So I will be right back. Right, well, as you can see, I'm in the file copying part of setup now. I've set all my settings. So what I will do is I will come back once we see on desktop. Okay, guys? So now we're at a desktop. So I don't know if this machine will have ever had a quick restore CD to it. But this does kind of seem like it would be a software CD for all the Armada 1500 series of machines. Because you have drivers for different video cards, you have drivers for things like USB, you know, just kind of things that aren't on this machine but are on other machines. So what I'll do is I'll fire up this disk. See, it's a lot like the Dell Resource CD. So one of the first things I'm away to install is a display driver, so we can actually see what we're doing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to extract it to the hard disk. I'm really glad that it gives you an option of doing such a thing. With the strangest folder name, saying this directory doesn't exist, create it. And there we are. Don't know why it has to put that squiggly tilde there, but okay, it's not how I would have done it. but oh well. So I'm just going to go to Browse. Hopefully this will give me a version of Compaq Diagnostics, actually, an earlier version. I would like that. Chips and Tech. Yep. Screen size. I want that at 800 by 600 at 16-bit color, and I want to show the settings icon on the taskbar. And then Windows will power cycle. Windows will have a reboot cycle, or whatever it is that UXW Bell calls it. He made it sound very impressive. And there we have there we have the display driver installed. So it's now just a case of going back to the CD. Now, I mean, what I could do is I could extract everything I needed now. Or I could extract things one by one. So once again, I have to agree to the license agreement. Got the MPEG player, integrated net, whatever it is, Ethernet drivers, battery calibration utility, Brooktree Wavestream, Chips and Tech video driver, carbon copy, Cirrus drivers for Armada Windows 95, Compaq Diagnostics for Windows, Compaq Hotkey, Compaq Insight Management, Compaq Portable Telephony Modem, Compaq Power 95, Compaq Security, Compaq Setup/P, Compaq Emergency Bootable Diskette, ESS audio drivers, Floppy Diskette Enhancement, whatever that is, Microsoft Card Services, Microsoft DirectX, PCI VXD Support Diskette, Personal Computer Diagnostics, Rail Mode Support, RAM QFE, SMC Fast Infrared Driver, True Flash File System, Universal Serial Bus, User Programmable Keys Utility, VMM Device Driver, Windows 95 System Enhancements, and Zoom audio, Video Audio Enhancement, whatever that is. As you can see, you've got a selection screen there for operating systems. So I should be able to use this with the 1550T, and language selection. So, you know, if I wanted it in German, you know, or French or something like that, then that would be possible. Yeah. So I guess I'll come back once I've set all this up. So this is going to take a while. So epic jump cut time. That jump cut was really epic, wasn't it? And we're back with the 1590. Windows has been installed, as has, and the drivers as well. Now, a couple of things I'd like to note about the CD. The Armada, the ESS audio drivers, the 1878 ones, for whatever reason, it didn't like the drivers on that CD. It just didn't. It wouldn't let my sound card work, so I had to actually go back to the ones that I downloaded myself from Compaq's website. The Real Mode DOS driver didn't seem to come with an installer, so again I had to get that from Compaq's website. But other things, the Insight Management thing. Oh yeah, Brooktree Wavestream wouldn't work for whatever reason. I don't know if I selected the NT version or what, but I was able to get that going as well. But something that is going, is oh Jones, right. Yeah, I seem to have yeah. Anyway, one thing that does appear to be working is Compaq Diagnostics for Windows version 1.21. Now, I very much like this version of Compaq Diagnostics. Look at this. Just look at it. It's, I mean, it doesn't... I think the thing that I like about it, if I'm going to be completely honest, is the fact that when you install it, it doesn't actually have any error messages or anything like that. It just kind of works. And it's more, and it is, you know, more like a version it would have came with. This machine would have probably came with. Can't remember, actually. I did have the original image, I believe, on this machine at one time. But, you know, obviously kept as much of it as I could, but there was only so much that I could keep. Like the wallpaper, the Windows 95 Compaq Armada logo, but the Compaq logo with the Windows 95 on it, kind of things like that. You know, there wasn't that much that I could really keep. So, yeah, I kept what I could. But yeah, this seems to be absolutely fine. Now, Billy Corr was actually asking me, does it feel like more complete, this machine? In a way, yes, with the older version of Compaq, with the Compaq Diagnostics utility, and older version of things like Insight and, you know, what have you. If anything, just to have installed the drivers from a proper Compaq CD. But in another way, it would have been nice to actually have a quick restore disk for this machine. I don't know if such a thing exists, whether it just used the software CD, which is very similar to the Dell Resource CDs from times gone by. But it's, you know, it's still pretty nifty to have, and I'm really glad, you know, I have this CD. So, I mean, the machine is completely set up now. So now I actually have Compaq Information Center. I didn't have that before. Compaq Insights Personal Edition. Oh, and that's more kind of for asset management for businesses. And then there's a floppy disk enhancer thing that installed itself. See if it enhances my floppy disks. Well, I'm going to say that was a complete success. I don't know what difference it's made, but my floppy disk drive still works. So that's good. Yeah, I mean, I've just kind of went and set this machine up as I normally would. You know, put Internet Explorer 5 on here, Microsoft Office for Windows 95, Publisher, some games. Going to be putting more DOS games on it, and what have you. In another video request I've been given is kind of do a let's play of the regular Lemmings, you know, kind of a wee tutorial. Well, I'm not that good at the game, but I've only recently learnt how to play it myself, so I will certainly do what I can.
There'll still be more than what I already know about Lemmings.
Aye, that's Billy, yep. Well, I don't know, I mean, I don't know what you know about it, but I only recently learned how to play Klondike, which is a traditional version of Solitaire that comes with Windows, or used to come with Windows. I only recently learned how to play it after watching an LGR Let's Play on Solitaire. But, yeah, no, we're...
I don't even know how to use Solitaire either.
You'll have to watch that LGR video then.
I watched it and it still couldn't help.
Oh, Jengs, am I going to have to do a J Plays Solitaire now? Well, I'll do it on a Windows 7 laptop. How's about that? Because I can actually see the cards.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm going to end this video here because I'd really like to get it uploaded. It's quite funny when we say that things like that on videos, isn't it? Like, you know, oh, we need to get it uploaded so we can work on the next video, but I'm rendering the previous last video. I don't know. Ah, jings. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, I want to get this video rendered and what have you. Billy, do you have anything you'd like to add?
Yeah, not much. Just as usual, I'm very jealous of that 1590.
Aye. I'd really like for you to get one because I know it's the best experience I've ever had with DOS gaming on the go.
It's gotta be.
Yeah. I think I like the 486 Toshiba. In fact, I like both of them if I'm going to be completely honest. But I also like, you know, I love that Armada 1590 DT. I knew that the 1500 series could be a good series with an active matrix display, and I was right. Anyway, and I keep saying that. I think I keep saying that in every video about that machine. It was like, I knew this would be good if it had an active matrix display. No, if only ran its phone with an active matrix display. It's excellent. Right. Well, thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please feel free to subscribe. And also, like us on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you'll all join me for my next video.